Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is Aurora Rising by Amy Kaufman and Jay Kristoff. And if you loved the Illuminae series, then you are going to absolutely love this series too. This is the first book in the Aurora cycle, and it is such a unique sci-fi book. I really loved the storytelling in this. It is very similar to Illuminae in some ways, but completely different also. It has a very traditional young adult storytelling style, but it also features some of the fun things that you loved from Illuminae, like chats with the artificial intelligence, some fun illustrations and pictures throughout the book, but I just really loved how this story was told. I am a huge sci-fi fan, and I really think that this was a super unique book, and I really loved it. So if you're looking for a fun, quick read that is full of sci-fi with a little bit of a different storytelling style, then you are going to love Aurora Rising. And that is my point of view.